Another episode of Crazy World of BitTensor. We've got some interesting news about new subnet coming, and the price already went up without even solid info. If you want, you can follow me on Twitter here, and I will be reposting and trying to find the best info on the market about BitTensor. But this video today is going to be about a new project, a new platform, Potatao, which is a quite cool name, but it's very simple in its form, and it's very interesting, and I'm sure a lot of you that struggle to understand BitTensor and struggle to understand the subnets and how this all things work. Honestly, guys, it was very hard for me as well to understand it. I thought, okay, let's stay with BitTensor, stake BitTensor, that's it. But then when I got deep into the subnets, into those little companies, it all went so much deeper into the hole. And as I mentioned in other videos, which I'm going to obviously hopefully you can watch them as well, if you don't know how to buy BitTensor, how to stake it, how to use the wallet, install wallet, talisman wallet that we're using. And once you have it, once you have the funds in the wallet, then you can obviously do everything here with those subnets that I mentioned in other videos. Those subnets here are going crazy. As you can see, markets are going down, like crypto markets, but some of them like Hermes, this is like a new up and coming hip use Score, a lot of this block machine, Disperse, they're very well known now. You have to be careful, obviously don't invest in anything, but if you do your little research, then look at those returns, and on top of it you gain APYs. Each of them is paying every single day their token to you just for staking. Some of them go as high as 70% APY, and the price increases, so you've got the double whammy. So crazy stuff. In the other videos I showed you, I stake a couple of them in the wallet. Very simple, you can stake it like that here, but in this new Potatao it's gonna be even easier. So let's get right to it. All you have to do basically is connect your wallet, which will be obviously your talisman wallet. And once you have everything connected here to the Tao app, you just click that dot, connect it, and that's all you have to do. So all you have to do is swap here from your Tao wallet, so the Tao that you have, to any subnet that you want. So let's pick some of the new interesting ones. The Disperse was really interesting recently. Obviously I've got not much money here, but I'm just trying to do very little transactions, zero, just to have a little bit to show you as well. You buying one alpha for $2. Alpha is the coin from that subnet. Once you buy it, it's already staked, and then it will generate for you the returns. That's very simple to use. The fees are very cheap. MEV shield, protecting you from those sandwich attacks, from front running from other people, basically staying in the middle and selling it to you at a higher price. The thing that you think you're gonna buy for this price is gonna end up with a different price, so just be careful with that. You can choose the validator. Validators have different APYs, as you can see, so make sure you choose the highest one. You've got everything here, more things coming, but for now this is more than enough. Everything is really simple, and all you have to do is swap it and confirm the transaction. Now if you want to check it, you can check it obviously in your talisman wallet. If you want to see this screen, the portfolio, just click on staking, then your positions. As you can see, it's here the Disperse token. And one thing I just wanted to mention as well, after I just did, like you've got your estimated earnings as well here, which is really cool. Just, you know, obviously this is based on current APY, which changes all the time. As I said, you can change your APY here, but it changes based on emissions and stuff. And also remember, you've got the settings. If the transaction doesn't go through, you would have to increase the slippage, especially on networks with high volatility, some new networks, some high movers. And you can switch this option to increase the probability if something doesn't work, but it will require 2 confirmations. That's the only difference. So if something is here not right, just make sure you go to settings. But it's very clear, very easy to use, and hopefully more of that kind of projects that we can at least explain very easily how to use Tao once you have it in your wallet, which is obviously also some couple steps to get to your wallet. But don't be afraid. I've got videos for that and if anything still unclear, let me know on our Telegram and I'll try to help you out. So thank you for watching.